good morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm also good. So here we are playing debate games. So as we all know, there are two teams, Team A and Team B. Team A is supporting China product should be banned, and Team B is supporting China product should not be banned. So here my team is supporting China product should not be banned, and another opponent team is supporting China's product should be banned. So here I would like to give chance to opponent team. They will prove yes, China product should be banned. So here you can start.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So today we are supporting China product should be banned. Why? Because if we are depending on some other countries, so how we can make our self-dependent products? And if we are talking about the product and quality of Chinese products, so it's a very low quality, and after some time it's not working properly, and many types of things are not good in Chinese products.
Okay, first of all, tell me one thing. How you can say, do we have any alternatives? If we don't have any alternative, we cannot change that thing. First we need to develop that thing, then only we can change that thing. And apart from it, just tell me the quality of that product you are saying.
Excuse me, we have a lot of alternatives, because once we are not going to stop that product, definitely we won't be able to create anything. For the creating the middle level and the lower level factories and the middle level all kinds of things, then after the productive bit be there. Apart from that, if the person
Alright,
were not...
ma'am, we can understand what kind of products India is making. The kind of product they are making are very expensive. People are not able to purchase that. The poor people are not able to purchase the product that the India is making. That's why the Chinese product is really important. If they want to purchase anything, Chinese product should be there, because they are very cheap and we can easily purchase
So
that. So
don't speak, ma'am, India is poor country, because India is biggest country. India has lots of power. Don't compare to other country for our country, because right now Narendra Modi also built lots of country, because our relation also very good for the other country. If
Let me tell you, brother, China product is a very good for all of us. The first thing is that the plastic. Each and every product packed in a plastic, not another. We don't have any option. Why you are talking about the Chinese product should be banned? Apart from it, what kind of product you are using except the plastic? You are purchasing 5 rupees kurkure and any kind of product. So it will cost very high. So you need to be understand about it.
According to me, should be banned in Chinese product. Reason is that we know that Samsung phone is also Indian phone, and Samsung phone is also good according to another phones. So that's the reason, and most of the reason Chinese product we should be banned.
So ma'am, I think you all are know about the bad things about the China. You don't know about the good things about the Chinese product. That's why you are telling about the Chinese product should be banned. So the Chinese product should good for the
I don't know, sir. What are you saying? China product should not be banned. Why are you saying, sir? We are Indians, so I think we should also use only for Indian product. You don't know, in the China product, if we purchase anything only for one day, we can use. After a long time, we cannot use, because it is a very cheap quality.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, but ma'am, you said that Samsung is a Indian company, but Samsung is not Indian company. Samsung is a Korean company, and China is the greatest. China is the fastest growing.
So your team talking
growing
about
country in the world,
price of
fastest
any type
growing
of things, so
yes.
it's not good. And if we are talking about the Indian products, it's very higher than cost, so it's not good. It's not true. If we are talking about the boat, lava, these type of companies we made in India, and if we are talking about the price of
without using the China product, you are not making any kind of a mobile phone. You are giving the example of iPhone, Samsung, Lenovo, any kind of product.
Whose person said to you
Chinese
without
product.
Chinese product we can't survive, because we are not depend to China. We are live in India, so don't speak about to China, because that pulse and polythene everything, because India also make polythene and everything. So we are not depend to other country. If talk about USA and many country, Russia our good friend. So that's the reason we need to anything. So Russia all time.
Just tell me, the most of the people sitting in this class are using Chinese product. They have all of them have a Chinese phone, and we are wearing the clothes made of China. And the major thing, the contribution of the Indian economy, it is also coming.
This
from
is the
China
reason.
only,
That's why.
$30
This is the
billion.
reason. That's why we are supporting that Chinese products should be banned, because the person who are sitting here, they are using the Chinese product and they are not getting the good features in that. Apart from that, we are not able to good at productivity. We are not good at manufacturing. Once it will be stopped, there will be a manufacturing.
India is the highest population country in the world, and here the demand of products are very high, but not the supply. Not the supply is coming at. Not every person is getting their product. So that is why China China
So
can
sir,
give
you
us
said
products.
about the products and quality, and yes, your partner said about the price. So I already mentioned the lava and the boat, and I continue my point. And if I talk about the manufacturing of like iPhone and big smartphones. So not for manufacturing in the China. Those
Okay,
companies
sir, I
send
can
the units
understand
of
what
China.
kind of mobile phone they are. They are working for one day and then they are hanging. They are not working even properly. That's how they are making the mobile phone. If you are purchasing the Chinese mobile phone, you are able to use them properly.
So, ma'am,
They have so
you
many
know-
kind of features. We cannot say that we cannot use the Chinese product.
You know, ma'am. Sorry.
So, ma'am, sir, you was talking about the lava. Who used the lava phone? There is no. You have lava phone. You have, and sir, you talk about the India goods from Russia. So go and purchase the Russian products. Why you are
Okay, tell me one thing, sir. In Diwali, if we are purchasing a lightning, so how many days you are using? Only for 1 day. After the 1 week, it's not working. And secondly, if you purchasing a Chinese product, only for China GDP will increase, not Indian.
Let me tell you, ma'am, you are not able to understand about the open door policy. What's the meaning of it? The second thing is that you are talking about the how much it works. So at that time, I'll tell you one thing. In a Diwali, we are using only light. Except the Diwali, you are not using everyday lightning or these kind of things. And the second thing is that about the
Brother,
price
we have
is very
lots of
low.
option because we have also Diya, like lots of things we are very easily one to Diya. If talk about like relationships, so in China's and India's relationship is not that much good. That's why reason Indian government banned lots of app like TikTok and share it, that kind of the app also banned. That's why reason we are living in India, so we are think about to India how to grow. If government
Now
ban
you can
to
just tell me one thing. Let's talk about some business, okay? India and China has a trade relationship of 120 billion, more than that, and where India's stand is only $30 billion. So 70% of the products coming from China, and you guys are talking about China. Just tell me one alternative which which India can provide compared to China. Prices are high.
Okay,
India
so
is a
you are
price-sensitive
You are
market.
saying for this, the alternative. We have alternative lava phone. The China products are very cheap, right? And durable. That's are not durable. But the lava is the Indian product, and that is a durable. Apart from that, you were talking about
I
manufacturing
can
and kind
understand,
of.
ma'am, but how durable they are. You are using the Jio phone that was in trend nowadays, and now you are using the Jio phone, and that is not working even properly for the 2 months. It is getting very hard to use that because the buttons are getting
your
very
Chinese
bad
phone
to
also
use.
not working properly. So many times they are it is hanging, and many problems are there if you are using Chinese phone and Chinese app. So your data access in Chinese company anywhere, and if
So-
you are talking about the any type of thing in China, so it's totally bad for our
the Chinese
country.
product not good working, sir. You know about the TikTok. TikTok was a good app and Share It was a good app, and India should be banned because India on that time India fight.
You know
with
that China also support in Pakistan. That's why our relations are not good. So that's the reason we should be banned and Chinese product. So that's the reason. So my opinion is that we can't continue Chinese product and support Indian products and also. So reason.
Hello, ma'am. You are saying that we have to ban Chinese product, but we all are using Chinese products. In my hand, in sir hand, everywhere is Chinese product. Then how can we ban this?
That's why we are saying that it should be banned, because the capturing of market in India, that is Chinese product are capturing around the 30 and 40% of our market, and that what will happen in the future once the whole market will captured by the China, it will be a biggest problem for our India, because our
Let me
India
tell
will
you,
not.
ma'am, why you are not mating means productivity is not there in India. The second thing is that you are talking about the relationship between the Pakistan China. So still we are doing trade with Pakistan also. Have you heard about the sand the salt? So we are trading from Pakistan.
Sir,
You need to be
I
understand
like
about
to
it.
Ratan Tata sir and Ambani because Ratan Tata sir has also 100 companies. So don't like teach to me like Indian powers and economics. Everything is good. If talk about like Ambani's has a lots of money. Every like heroes, actors also come in India and doing a dancing for the stage. So don't give to like example
I
India
don't think
not.
we are talking about dancing and all here. We are talking about Chinese products, and technology is not only the the factor where China is developing only and China is dominating. There are lots of things. Minerals are there and other things are there. Clothing sector is there, and resources are also there.
According to your voice, I am just thinking you are the enemy for the India, because you guys want to that China will invade on us, right? Because once the market captures will be there, then definitely they will think about the conflict, they will think about the LOC, LSE, and apart from that they will invade.
Let me tell
Definitely
ma'am,
you
are
want that.
just connecting the politically. So if you are talking about the politically LAC, LOC, so it's not a product. The second thing is that each and everything which you are using in India, it's come from the China. You are eating the Chinese product, you are wearing the Chinese
So
things,
it's
even though you are
okay, it's
using
not
Chinese
product, but sir, kind your information, it's related to a relationship. Our relationship, it's not that much good for the China. That's why reason we banned to Chinese product. If you don't live
So
without
if you
Chinese
really
product.
want to make the relation that much good, so start trading, right? Start using their products, start to make good relation with them by trading. Trading is a very great method to make the good relation.
If you don't
and
know
if you
about
are thinking
anything,
about
so
banning
just
all the
think
Chinese
about the
products.
coronavirus pandemic. It was happening.